Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. God bless you. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. I love you. Birthday, Teacher Grace. God bless you. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. I love you. God bless. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. Thank you sa putol namin. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. God bless you. Happy birthday,
Teacher Grace.
Teacher Grace. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace.
Thank you
Thank you
for teaching us.
for teaching us.
God bless you. Ngiti. Ngiti, smile. Smile.
Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. Happy birthday, Teacher Grace. I love you.
G. Grateful to God for the gift of your life. R. Radiating love, kindness, and faith to everyone you meet. A. Anchored in God's promises through every season. C. Carrying compassion and courage in your heart. E. Embraced by God's everlasting grace today and always. That's grace. Happy birthday, Ading Gracia.
Hello, Teacher Grace. Have a blessed happy birthday. May the Lord grant the desires of your heart, give you good health, divine protection, and heavenly wisdom. God bless your family, your ministry, and your church. God bless you.
Isang masayang kaarawan sa iyo, Teacher Grace. We are always thankful for your life, sa iyong matibay na pananampalataya at paglilingkod sa Diyos. Praying for your good health and happiness always. And of course, dalahin ko din ang mas mahaba mong pasensya at mas marami mong dahilan para ngumiti araw-araw. I love you and happy birthday!
Hi, teacher! Andito na naman ako, bumabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. 50th birthday, teacher. Birthday mo, pero ako ang magpapasalamat kasi naging part ako ng 50 years na yan ng buhay mo. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil hindi lang ako ang nakatanggap ng blessing na nagmumula sa iyo. At saka lagi mong tatandaan, teacher. We love you. Buong family namin yan. Kahit si mama, kung buhay siya ngayon, alam ko, siyang unang-unang babati sa'yo. Love you!
Hi, hello, greetings. This is to greet ang ating Teacher Grace sa kanyang kaarawan for your birthday, teacher. And if I'm not mistaken, baka ako yung magkamali. I think, we heard it right, no? It's your 50th. but, but anyway, happy birthday po sa inyo. We wish you all the best para po sa inyong plano, para po sa inyong ikakalago sa lahat ng ginagawa nyo, teacher. May God will fulfill everything what you wish for, whatever na ibibigay niya para sa iyo. So, everything po, it's automatic. Ikagrant niya lahat yan because you're a good person. And not just that, you are truly blessed also because of your contribution para sa atin. And we wish you all the best, teacher. Hope to see you soon. And more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday to my favorite cousin, Teacher Grace. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. And thank you sa Panginoon sa buhay mo. Isa kang blessing sa ating pamilya. Love you, Kas.
Sister, awan ti may amok nga ibaga, na ibaga ni inang kinantang paringan, tikat mong ibaga kanyam. At happy birthday, sister. Wish wishes, sister, for this 50 years old mo na birthday. Long life. I love you, sister. God bless you. Thank you for all.
Nanay Grace, sapay kumata, panagsirbim kira po Diyos sa mok nga naraksak ka, kat sapay ka di nga, di panagsirbim, kasi ka di may sagan instrumento nga, da kami nga saan pa unay nga namati, si Kati mangted ti panaka pintas ti panampamati making kinapo. Sapay ka di anak ta amog nga do ti problema nang narona ti kapsat mo nga ni.
Happy birthday, Grace! Happy 50th birthday, anak ko. Salamat sa Diyos sa buhay mo. Sana huwag ka magsawa sa pagtulong sa pamilya mo, anak ko. Best wishes and more power and health to serve the Lord and especially to your family. Salamat sa Diyos, ikaw ang naging katuwang ko sa pamilya natin. Sa lahat ng problema, andyan ka na hindi ka nagsasawa, anak ko. Again, best wishes, anak ko. Love you and thank you, anak ko.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po. I just want to wish you a good health, happiness, and more blessings. Thank you for all your love and care, and enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, sister. Thank you for being the most loving and caring sister. I wish you all the best in health, happiness, and life. God bless you abundantly. I miss you. We love you.
Hi Tita, happy birthday to you. Wishing you a good life and a good health always. We love you Tita. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ta. Thank you for all your sacrifices and unconditional love. God bless you always and love you.
Hello, Mame. Happy birthday, happy 50th birthday, me. First and foremost po, I hope you enjoy your day. And thank you po sa mga efforts, sa mga sacrifices na ginawa mo po para sa akin kahit man kailangan mo na ibayad yung dugo at pawis mo po. Salamat po na sa pagmahal mo po sa akin. You've always been a role model to me, me. Yung bait mo at pagpamigay mo, hindi man lang sa akin pero sa mga iba't ibang tao din. I can assure din na ganoon din yung pagkakita ng mga iba't ibang tao sa iyo, na mabait ka, na isa kang hardworking na lady po. You're such a strong woman, I could never ask for more. You're the best mom I could ever ask, ma'am. Yeah. Happy birthday po. I love you. Mwah, mwah.
Very good.
Happy birthday, Manang! I message you. Sana Manang, more birthday days to come in your life.